am strong in you, oh Lord, clothed in your righteousness and grace. Though I walk through fire and flood, not a flame shall kindle upon me, for you are near. You lead me beside still waters. You restore my weary soul. Even through the valley of shadows, I will not fear the night. Your rod and staff, they comfort me. I am great in you, I am great with you, I am great with you, I am safe with you, I am great in you, I am great with you, I am great with you, I am safe with you. No weapon formed shall prosper. You uphold me with your hand. I am more than a conqueror through Christ, the risen Lamb. When the storms rise, you are my anchor. When the battle roars, you are my peace. My help comes from the Lord, maker of heaven and earth. I am great in you, I am great with you, I am great with you, I am safe with you. Oh, I am great in you, I am great with you, I am great with you, I am safe with you. I am great in you, I am great in you, I am great with you, I am great with you, I am safe with you, I am great in you, I am great safe with you. No weapon formed shall prosper. You uphold me with your hand. I am more than a conqueror, hey, through Christ, oh, the risen Lamb. When the storms rise, you are my anchor. When the battle roars, you are my peace. uphold me with your hand. I am more than a conqueror through Christ, the risen Lamb. When the storms rise, you are my anchor. When the battle roars, you are my peace. My